Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Boom Boom. So today my aunt's not here. Remember the videos that we did? And then, but today we will do a glow in the dark. And then next week in our new videos, we will make it with my aunt. So today we're gonna make it with me. You need to open it. Make sure you remove the scotch tape before opening it. And then we have the nail stickers. Then there's also a ring and this nice background from it. Then you have to open it carefully. Make sure to ask your parents for help. Oh no. Oh no. And then if there's some fell, you pick them up. Fix it. Yes, can I fix it?
Brush your lips.
And then you see, you have it. There's diamonds. First, I'll get a thumb one, and then you see the stick thing, the back, and then that's where you can stick your nail. Make sure it's not for 3 years old. See? And then you can put your ring anywhere. This is a small ring, so I'll put it in my pinky. Then continue the rest. And then I'll show you how to balik it. When you're done, you can just stick with it like this. And then make sure you know the right place to put it. Then, this ring should be long. You see this hole? You put where your finger goes and then there. But make sure you close it tightly. When you close it, and then it's like that. And then put this here. This is the box. It's only for 5 years old, but I'm 6. And then put the background. Put the background first. Then the things that you have. And then put it here. Make sure it's in front of the background, like that. And then close it. And then you have your own. Well, guys, that's end of our day. Bye bye.